just want to basically look at some philosophical points as we go through. And the first thing I think is key. We all have our preferential biases for particular types of training. I remember going to my first NSCA conference back in about 1988. And at that stage, I was about to get into professional basketball in Sydney, Australia. And I thought, well, the guy from this prestigious university who just won NCAA titles should be the one to listen to. He detailed a upper body pushing session for his Duke basketball players. There was incline bench press, there was flat bench press, there was dumbbell flies, there was a decline bench, and he finished with dips. Even in my very, very early days, I consider that to be somewhat overkill for the chest in particular, but for a basketball player in general as well. But he'd won a national championship, so did he win it because of the program or in spite of the program? And his preferential bias was very, very evident by the programming techniques that he used, but even more evident when I saw him by the swimming pool the next day with his massively chiseled upper body. And it seemed that he could actually get his workout during the day anytime his players were training, so he could jump in and do a couple of sets of this or a couple of sets of that. And I think that's basically the preferential bias taken to the extreme.